So we're going to give our mason jar a frosted look. To do that, we're going to paint some glue all around the inside of the mason jar. You want to make sure it is a nice, smooth, even application of glue, that there's not any clumps of glue anywhere. So smooth it out and make sure that the whole jar is covered in a nice, smooth, even coat of glue. Frosting the glass and frosting Christmas decor items has been very popular with me this season. If you've seen any of my other crafts I've done so far for Christmas, I've been frosting a lot of the items. I just really love the way it looks to have that frosty, snow-like look to them. Once you have the mason jar completely covered in glue, shake in some glitter. I use crystal glitter because it helps to make it really look snowy and sparkly. Make sure you shake the jar around and roll the glitter all around the mason jar. You want to make sure that the glue is covered in glitter everywhere in the jar. Now, because we covered the inside of this mason jar in glue and glitter, you're not going to put a real candle in this. Instead, you can put one of those battery-operated tea light candles or the pillar candles that they sell. They sell those even at the Dollar Tree. So once your jar is frosted, you're going to want to cut some greens, any greens of your choice, to make a little swag for the front of your jar. I chose these bright green ferns for the front of my jar. I tied a piece of twine around the front of my mason jar. I glued the bow in place so that it would stay exactly where I wanted it. Then just glue your greens together to make a little swag. I cut some red berries to glue to the center of it. I then glued the swag to the front of the mason jar. And here's the final product. It's a simple yet very beautiful and elegant little decor piece. The frosted glass looks so pretty with the little tea light candle flickering behind it. It gives it such a nice warm glow. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. If you haven't checked out my other holiday crafts, you can go ahead and check those out as well if you'd like. I have some more Christmas crafts coming out soon, so I hope you'll check back to see those as well. And if you've enjoyed today's video, I hope you'll leave a comment letting me know what you think, as well as subscribing to the channel. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.